weak or a strong typhoon po is about to come. Yeah, bali yan po yung way nila to forecast the weather. Because in the forest po, there's no electricity. Yeah, bali pag may nakita silang dragonfly that's swarming in the air, yun po yung indication that there's a change in weather. Or a rainy season is about to come po. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin yung agency for the dragonfly. And for our second dance po yung ating monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy, also known as the hunting dance. And for our artists po, there's no other animal in the Subic forest can match the skill of monkey in terms of hunting and foraging po. And for our young artists po, it is a playtime or pastime while the elders are set for hunting and gathering for food. Once again po, monkey dance performed by Kuya Joel. Ayan. Nakatatago sa kuya. Dance lang yun. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Joel. Then, for the last dance po yung ating Wardan or Papabayani dance. Bali, during the olden times po, when laws are not yet fully established, rules are being set by the elders of each tribe. Whenever misunderstanding naman po arises in between each tribe, bali they usually send their young men po into fighting. But before sending them into fighting, they usually perform po the Wardan or Papabayani dance to ask assist or guidance from their God po. Called Apo na Malyari to give them po a victorious fight. And para po sa kanila, the best dancer or the best performer po will be the best fighter. Ay, bali, napakahalaga po ng sayo na yan para sa kanila. Yan po yung way nila to select a good fighter or warrior. Yan, yung magaling na mananayaw po, siya yung magaling na mandirigma. Actually, they're using real bow and arrow, yung ating mana or palaso. Bali, si Kuya Justin and si Kuya Greg.